Have you ever wondered if that ordinary pen on the desk is actually watching your every move? Or if that phone charger is secretly recording every word you say? In today's video, we are unveiling 20 real spy gadgets you can actually buy on Amazon right now in 2026. From hidden cameras disguised as everyday objects to covert listening devices straight out of a James Bond movie, these tools are absolutely insane. Trust me, you do not want to miss number one. Let's get undercover. Number 20. Stop paying monthly fees just to keep your car safe. Most GPS trackers require expensive subscriptions and SIM cards, but this 2-pack GPS tracker changes the game entirely. Designed specifically for iOS users, it integrates seamlessly with Apple's Find My network. That means as long as there's an Apple device nearby, which, let's be honest, is everywhere in the US, you can track your vehicle, luggage, or even your expensive camera gear in real time. What makes this perfect for 2026 is the stealth factor. It's small, magnetic, and requires zero technical setup. You just hide it under a car seat or in a glove box, and you're live. Whether you're parking in a massive lot at the mall or you just want peace of mind knowing where your family vehicle is, this device delivers global coverage without costing you a dime in monthly fees. It's arguably the most cost-effective security upgrade you can buy this year. Check the link below to grab the 2-pack before they sell out. Number 19. If you want aerial surveillance without the headache of government registration, this is the drone you need. This foldable GPS drone comes in under 249 grams. Why does that matter? Because in the USA, you don't need to register it with the FAA. But don't let the small size fool you. This thing is packed with pro-level spy features. It shoots in stunning 4K and features a brushless motor for silent, stable flight, which is essential if you're trying to remain unnoticed. The Follow Me mode is incredible. It autonomously tracks your movement, making it perfect for solo content creators or monitoring a moving target. Plus, with 5G FPV transmission, you see exactly what the drone sees in real time on your phone with zero lag. It's beginner-friendly but powerful enough for serious recon. Check the link below to see the flight time specs. Number 18. Let's get serious about privacy. With the rise of hidden cameras in Airbnbs and hotels, you can never be too careful. That is why the JM-DHHKK M8000 is an absolute must-have for travelers. This isn't just a toy, it is a professional-grade RF detector that sweeps your room for bugs, GPS trackers, and hidden wireless cameras. Here's the scary part. Modern spy cameras are getting smaller and harder to see with the naked eye. This device solves that by detecting the magnetic field of GPS trackers hidden under your car and the radio frequencies of listening devices. It has a high-sensitivity sensor that lights up and beeps the closer you get to a bug. Before you settle into your next hotel room or changing room, take 60 seconds to sweep the area. It gives you complete peace of mind knowing you aren't being watched. Check the link below to protect your privacy today. Number 17. The best spy gadgets are the ones that hide in plain sight, and number 17 is a masterpiece of camouflage. This looks, acts, and functions exactly like a standard USB phone charger. You can plug in your phone and it charges perfectly, but hidden behind that innocent exterior is a powerful 160-degree wide-angle camera lens. Unlike older models, this upgraded version supports both 2.4 and 5G Wi-Fi, allowing you to stream live footage directly to your smartphone from anywhere in the world. Whether you need to keep an eye on a nanny, monitor your pets while you're at work, or catch a thief in your office, this device is undetectable. It plugs into the wall, so you never have to worry about battery life. It records 24/7. It is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it security solution. Check the link below to turn any outlet into a security station. Number 16. Sometimes video isn't enough. You need crystal clear audio proof. Enter the ZipSide digital voice recorder. In a high-stakes meeting, a lecture, or a legal dispute, a he said, she said doesn't hold up in court. You need evidence. This device comes with AI intelligent noise reduction, which cuts through background chatter and wind to capture purely the human voice. With 64 gigabytes of storage, you can record for hundreds of hours without needing to delete files. The best feature? Voice activation. You can leave this in a room and it will only start recording when it hears sound, saving you from listening to hours of silence.
It's slim, discreet, and slips right into a shirt pocket. Whether you're a journalist, a student, or just someone protecting their rights, this recorder ensures you never miss a word. Check the link below for the current price.
Number 15. Traveling in 2026 comes with a new set of risks. We've all heard the horror stories of hidden cameras in vacation rentals and hotel bathrooms. Number 15 is your personal counter-surveillance tool. This isn't just a gadget, it's a necessity for anyone who values privacy. This detector is specifically tuned to find the red eye reflection of hidden camera lenses that are invisible to the naked eye. It also scans for RF signals used by wireless bugs and GPS trackers. Imagine checking into an Airbnb, doing a quick 2-minute sweep with this device, and knowing for a fact that the smoke detector isn't filming you. It's compact enough to fit in your toiletry bag, but powerful enough to detect devices transmitting from feet away. Don't be a victim of voyeurism. Check the link below to secure your personal space.
Number 14. A good spy needs to see everything without being seen, and sometimes the best gadget is a simple, tactical upgrade. If you wear prescription glasses, you know the struggle of trying to look inconspicuous while dealing with sun glare. These clip-on, flip-up, polarized lenses are the ultimate solution for surveillance or just daily driving. They instantly transform your regular glasses into high-performance sunglasses. The polarization cuts through glare on windshields and water, allowing you to see inside cars or windows much clearer than with standard lenses. Plus, the flip-up mechanism means you can transition from bright outdoor sunlight to a dark indoor stakeout in a split second without taking them off. They're lightweight, durable, and give you that agent look while protecting your eyes. Check the link below to upgrade your eyewear.
Number 13 takes audio surveillance to a whole new level. This isn't just a voice recorder, it is a magnetic black box. The biggest problem with recording conversations is where to hide the device. With this mini magnetic recorder, you can stick it under a metal desk, behind a filing cabinet, or even under a car seat in seconds. It comes with a massive 64 gigabytes of storage and incredible battery life, allowing for long standby times. The one-touch recording feature is a lifesaver. No confusing buttons or lights to give you away. Just slide the switch, stick it to a metal surface, and walk away. It captures crystal clear audio, making it perfect for documenting verbal agreements, lectures, or gathering evidence when you aren't even in the room. It's stealthy, sticky, and reliable. Check the link below to get yours.
Number 12. If you own a bike in the city, you know the anxiety of theft. Bike locks can be cut, but number 12 ensures you always have the last laugh. Meet the AIRBELL. To the average thief, this looks like a standard cheap bicycle bell. It rings, it works, and it draws zero attention. But inside, it houses an Apple AirTag securely hidden from sight. Unlike obvious GPS mounts that thieves rip off immediately, this uses the hide in plain sight strategy. You can track your bike's location anywhere in the world using the Find Me network on your iPhone. The design is virtually indestructible and fits 22mm handlebars perfectly. It is the smartest insurance policy you can buy for your bicycle. Stop worrying about theft and start tracking. Check the link below to protect your ride. Number 11. Number 11 is the Swiss Army knife of personal security. This 6-in-1 detector does way more than just find cameras. It's a complete travel bodyguard. Yes, it detects spy cameras and GPS trackers like the others, but the game changer here is the anti-theft motion alarm. Here's the scenario. You're sleeping in a hotel room and you feel unsafe. You hang this device on the doorknob. If anyone tries to open that door, the vibration triggers a loud, piercing alarm that will scare off any intruder and wake you up instantly. It also features an SOS emergency alert if you run into trouble on the street. Whether you're sweeping a room for bugs or securing your perimeter while you sleep, this device handles it all. It's compact, rechargeable, and absolutely essential for solo travelers. Check the link below for total peace of mind. Number 10. Most hidden cameras have one major weakness. They need Wi-Fi. But what if you need to monitor a construction site, a remote cabin, or your car parked on the street where Wi-Fi doesn't reach? Number 10 is the solution. This is a 4K HD cellular surveillance camera that runs on 4G LTE. It comes with a built-in SIM card, meaning it works completely independent of your home network. You can place this anywhere there is cell service and stream live video directly to your phone. It features night vision, motion detection, and cloud storage, so even if the camera is stolen, your footage is safe. Whether you're tracking wildlife or protecting a remote property, this camera gives you eyes where no one else can see. Check the link below for the ultimate off-grid security.
Number 9. Sometimes the smallest gadgets pack the biggest punch. Number 9 is a mini voice recorder that is so small you can slip it in the coin pocket of your jeans and forget it is there. But don't let the size fool you, the audio quality is professional grade. It features advanced noise reduction technology that filters out the hum of air conditioners or traffic, focusing purely on the conversation. With voice activation enabled, it only records when people are speaking, saving you hours of scrubbing through silence. It is rechargeable and perfect for students recording lectures, journalists doing interviews, or anyone needing discrete audio evidence in high-pressure situations. Check the link below to capture every word.
Number 8. The biggest frustration with wireless spy cameras is battery life. Most die after an hour or two. Number 8 changes that with a massive 8-hour battery life. This 4K Nanny Cam is designed to last a full workday, making it perfect for monitoring babysitters, house cleaners, or contractors while you're at the office. It works with or without Wi-Fi. If you have Wi-Fi, you can live stream. If you don't, no problem. It records directly to a memory card. The 2026 upgrade includes improved night vision and motion detection that sends instant alerts to your phone. It's small, versatile, and finally gives you enough battery power to catch the action without constantly recharging. Check the link below for reliable all-day monitoring. Number 7. In a world where dash cams save drivers, body cams save pedestrians. Number 7 is a thumb-sized 4K mini body camera that clips onto your shirt, backpack, or jacket. It's hands-free, lightweight, and comes with a massive 128 gigabytes of storage built in. Whether you're a delivery driver wanting to document interactions, a security guard, or just someone who feels safer having a record of their daily commute, this device is your witness. The video quality is stunning 4K, capturing license plates and faces clearly. It's rugged, simple to use, and ensures that if something happens, it's not your word against theirs. You have the footage. Check the link below to wear your security.
Number 6. Not all spy gadgets are electronic. Some are just classic tradecraft. Number 6 is the Leather Boss Money Belt. To the naked eye, this is a high-quality, genuine leather belt that looks great with a suit or jeans. But flip it over and you will find a hidden zipper running the length of the belt. This is the ultimate travel hack. You can fold up emergency cash, a copy of your ID, or even a small SD card with sensitive data and slide it inside. If you ever get pickpocketed or mugged, they'll take your wallet, but your emergency stash remains completely undetected around your waist. It's old school, effective, and absolutely essential for international travel. Check the link below to secure your cash. Number 5. The best spy gadgets are the ones that actually do something useful while they record. Number 5 is a fully functional wireless charger. You put this on your nightstand or office desk, drop your phone on it, and it charges instantly. No one suspects a thing. But hidden behind the charging pad is a 180p camera with a massive 160-degree viewing angle that is wide enough to capture an entire room. It connects to your Wi-Fi, so you get motion detection alerts straight to your phone. If you want to see who is going through your drawers while you're in a meeting, this is the perfect unsuspicious solution. Check the link below to power up your security. Number 4. Number 4 allows you to take surveillance anywhere, literally. Whether you're at the gym, in a boardroom meeting, or walking through a park, carrying a water bottle is normal. But this isn't just for hydration. This bottle houses a covert full HD camera hidden behind a label. The genius here is portability. You don't need to plug it into a wall, you just set it down on a table, point the label towards the action, and you're rolling. It supports local recording, so you don't even need Wi-Fi to capture the evidence. It's the ultimate tool for on-the-go investigations where fixed cameras just won't work. Check the link below to stay hydrated and informed. Number 3. We've seen charger cameras before, but number 3 is the king of resolution. This isn't grainy footage, this is crystal clear 4K video. The detail is sharp enough to read text on a piece of paper from across the room. What sets this apart is the advanced night vision and motion detection. Most hidden cameras fail in low light, but this one thrives in the dark. It's designed for home security when the lights go out. You simply plug it in and it starts protecting your home immediately. No complicated remote controls, just pure, high-quality surveillance that never runs out of battery. Check the link below for the sharpest image quality. Number 2. Number 2 gives you a legitimate superpower, the ability to see heat. The Flir One Pro attaches to the bottom of your iPhone and instantly turns your screen into a thermal imaging scanner. This is military-grade tech available to civilians. Why is this a spy gadget? Because you can spot someone hiding in complete darkness. You can see which car in a parking lot was recently driven because the engine is still hot. You can even detect hidden pipes or overheating electronics in a wall. It blends thermal and visible images for incredible detail. Once you start seeing the world in thermal, you will never want to go back. Check the link below to see the invisible. Number 1. And finally, the number 1 spy gadget of 2026 feels like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Meet the Nova H1 audio earrings. These are real freshwater pearls set in gold or silver clips. To the world, they are elegant jewelry. To you, they are hidden headphones. Using directional sound technology, they beam audio directly into your ear canal without blocking outside noise. You can listen to music, take phone calls, or receive secret instructions from a partner, and the person standing right next to you won't hear a sound. It is the ultimate blend of fashion and spycraft. No wires, no bulky earbuds, just pure, invisible connection. Check the link below to wear the future.
And there you have it, 20 spy gadgets that prove the future of surveillance is already here. Which one freaked you out the most? Let me know in the comments down below. Remember, all the links to these gadgets are in the description if you want to check the latest prices. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more tech that feels illegal to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next mission.